Hi. So today's video is basically on the common questions asked in a personal interview, and this is mainly for the MBA entrance exams. So the first step in preparing for the entrance exam interviews is basically to know yourself. And once you start knowing yourself, maybe writing a biography or something, the next step would be to prepare for the answers. It becomes very important. You may not write it by heart, like know the exact word to word, but you need to have a fair idea as to what you're going to answer for the various common questions that could be asked. I mean, if you're well prepared for the interview, you could also direct the interview in your direction, which could help the whole interview process, and you can easily impress the panelist. Okay, the courses that we normally run are for management entrance, that is PI VAT GD training for management entrance, and the PI training for management entrance. We also have PI training for summer and final placements for MBA students. These are the courses that we run. Now, coming to the common questions, the most common question that you should definitely be prepared for is tell me something about yourself or introduce yourself. This is normally the first question that is asked, and you need to prepare because the panelist expects you to be prepared for it. Because if you're not prepared for it, basically means you're not serious about the college. Okay, because you have not found time to prepare for the question, which means you're not serious for the college. So it's very important to prepare for this question. Also, the importance of this question, basically this will help to provide that base for the remaining interview, so you can actually direct the interviewer with proper preparation of the answers. And one of the first questions is this. Also, we know that your first question normally, or the initial 5 minutes, is normally what decide whether you're in or out, and this could really impress the panelist. Next is obviously why MBA. Now you're getting into MBA college, a lot of people have no idea as to why they're doing an MBA. It's a herd mentality. So the panelists normally ask this question because they need to understand why is the student who's coming there doing an MBA, because that will determine how serious he'll be for regarding studies in the college, and therefore being a good student in the college. So knowing exactly why you want to do an MBA also is important, because that is a common question that is asked, and one of the questions where a lot of people are not sure of the answer, though they're prepared for 1 year 2 years for getting into MBA college, but they're really not sure. The answers are more copy paste, but it doesn't help because it doesn't serve the purpose. Next is why this college. Now normally what people do is they have multiple calls, and when they have multiple calls, they generally prepare for answers in general. Okay, tell me something about yourself, why MBA. They don't prepare for a specific college. It is very important that you show your interest to a specific college. I mean, you should know about the college that you're applying to. I mean, even if you have 10 interviews, every college, at least talk to maybe a student of the college or a senior of the college and find out, I mean, what's special of the college and why do you think you will fit into the college. So knowing about a vision, mission statement, etc. will help you to prepare with this answer. Why this college? Why should we take you? That's one of the very important questions, because that is what will determine. You have to sell yourself in the interview. And why should we take you is very simple, direct selling yourself as to what qualities are there in you that will help the panelists make a decision whether to take you or not. So why should we take you is very important, and it could also be a base for tell me something about yourself as an interview. So a lot of questions are interlinked, and you can interlink them such a way that you can have a proper plan and procedure with regards to creating a good impression in the panelist. You should come across as a person who is really thought about and know what he is talking about, than giving different answers at different positions. Because if you just can't copy paste, there's a high chance that one answer could mean different and the second answer could mean different. But if you're prepared properly and have a coherent, proper whole, it will help you. Your goals, short term and long term. So maybe 5 years down the line, 10 years down the line, what is your dream? They're all variants of the same question. So what are your short term goals and long term goals? How do you plan to achieve your goals? Connect everything. Your whole interview has to be connected. So technically your goals should be connected to YMBA, and maybe to some extent to your past, and maybe to your college also. So all these are somewhere connected, and if you can create a connected whole, it creates a good impression among the panelists. Know your failures. I mean, what did you learn from them? I mean, failures are a very important part of life. You can't say I don't have failures. It's a very wrong way to say it, because failures determines what you will learn from it and how will you succeed. Because in some of the places they look at failures, and then they take the students. Because if you look at some of the most successful people in the world are people who have failed. Steve Jobs, Abraham Lincoln, you name them, they are the ones who failed some point or the other, or multiple times they failed. But that is what brought them to success. And the failures is what is looked at. So look at what your failures are. How same with your greatest achievement. That also shows what what you value the most. So all these questions are very important in terms of creating a good impression in the interview. Need to prepare for them. Proper coherent host. Once you write down these answers, show it to some experts so that the right picture is put forward on the panelist. And that's how you keep preparing. I'll have a separate video on how do you prepare answers for each question in terms of the process of preparing the answers. But yes, this is a broad set of questions that will help you, that you need to prepare for the interview. Right? And yeah, one more question, which is discuss a situation where you have taken initiatives. Initiative becomes very important, and you need to know where you're taking initiative. So these are normal common questions. Discuss a situation. I've talked about initiatives, but could we discuss a situation regarding anything? Okay, discuss a situation where you're shown leadership skills. Discuss a situation where you're shown. So situational based questions are also very common. Know about the various situations you have been, and that will help you to answer these questions well. Hope this helps. Thank you.